Hello everyone. My name is Aniket Dangre. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I have completed my graduation in Bachelor of Engineering in Information Technology from Kids Ramtech in the 2022. eVision have professional teachers who always motivated and encourage us to grow more and improve ourselves stronger. One of the best institute to start your career in networking, and it was a great learning experience. I am glad to say that I got placed in HCL with salary package 2.16 LPA. Thank you, professors are well trained and the knowledge they provide is commendable. eVision is the best place to boost your career in IT field, especially networking, where they teach and guide you accurately for IT domain. Thank you so much, eVision and their team.